Today we're looking at differentiation using chain rule. Please, I encourage you to watch the other videos that concerning about differentiation from first principles and then the power rule. In the videos, I'm going to leave the links down in this video below. So I also encourage you to first try this number on your own. So go ahead and pause the video and then work out this number before you come back and proceed. Okay, welcome back. So chain rule states that if you are given a function in terms of y and x, then we'll have its derivative given by dy by dx equals to dy by du times du by dx, where u is representing a function or a term inside a bracket raised to a complex power. So instead of expanding the number or this function here, this polynomial, it is good just for you to replace it by another variable u and simplify it using this formula here. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and work on this. So let's let y to be equals to 3x squared plus 1 cube, and we also have u equals to the terms in the bracket, that is 3x squared plus 1, and then we can go ahead and replace these terms here by our u we have just created here. So y is the same as u cube. Then let's go ahead and differentiate y with respect to u. So we have here dy by du equals to 3u squared. And again, let's go ahead and differentiate u with respect to x. So du by dx equals to 6x. So we can go ahead and combine using our chain rule, which says when you have dy by dx dy by du times du by dx. So we can do these replacements. Now our dy by dx equals, so dy by du is this quantity here, and that is 3u squared times dy by dx, du by dx, this quantity is 6x, so we can multiply it by 6x. Then let's go ahead and simplify these terms such that our dy by dx equals, now when you multiply this 3 and 6, you get 18. So you write the x u squared. So we can go ahead and substitute the value of u back. So we have here the x equals to 18x into 3x squared plus 1, and u is squared, so we have to also square this. So this is differentiation using chain rule. So in this question we have y equals to this polynomial under root. So we can rewrite it like y equals to under root of x squared plus 3x plus 4, and then we can also let our u to be x squared plus 3x plus 4. And then we can go ahead and replace our u inside here where we have this and a half as a power and represent this root sign. Then we can go ahead and simplify this by differentiating it. So dy by du will be equivalent to multiplying it, and then we reduce the power by 1, which will result to u negative a half over 2, and we can write it like 1 over 2 u raised to power positive a half, and we know raised to power half is just like square root, so we have here 2 square root of u, and that is the derivative of the first part here, dy by du. And then we can go ahead and also differentiate this side, and this one is quite simple. Du by dx is equals to 2x plus 3. Now we can go ahead and combine all these three and come up with dy by dx equals to our dy by du times du by dx. So replacing dy by du with 1 over 2 root u, then you multiply it by du by dx, which is 2x plus 3 will result into dy by dy by dx into, now 1 times this quantity, we get our 2x plus 3 all over 2 into the root of, now we can go ahead and replace u by x squared plus 3x then plus 4, and that is the derivative of this function using chain rule. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to be notified when I upload any new video here in this channel, Caltex Academy.